50 in the room.
How many people with the poop in the box and send in the mail option?
I had to do that. It was fucking humiliating. I had to go to FedEx. This cute, like 20-year-old girl. She's like, "Hi, sir. May I help you?" I'm like, "Yeah, here's my fucking shit in the box." Yeah. Hey, we keep it real. You're not gonna get this into My Chemical Romance or a Yellow Card show, folks. Let's hear it for us. Nothing against those bands. I still have their posters on my bedroom wall. This song's called Automatic. Let's party.